Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing some easy online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home in 2023. With the current state of the world and the ongoing pandemic, more and more people are looking for ways to make money from home. And the good news is, there are plenty of opportunities out there. 1. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring students online. There are a variety of platforms that connect students with tutors, such as VIPKid, Chegg and TutorMe. These platforms allow you to set your own hours and work from anywhere. You can earn between $15 to $30 per hour as a tutor. 2. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can help businesses with a variety of tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, and responding to emails. There are many platforms that connect businesses with virtual assistants, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Zerchel. As a virtual assistant, you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your skills and experience. 3. Online survey taker. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. You can earn money by taking online surveys on platforms such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Harris Poll Online. You can expect to earn anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey. 4. Content creator. If you're creative and enjoy making videos, writing, or designing, you can make money by creating content for others. Platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer monetization options for creators, and there are also opportunities to create sponsored content. As a content creator, you can expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $5 per 1,000 views, depending on the platform and your content. 5. Online freelance work. If you have a specific skill, such as graphic design, writing, or programming, you can earn money by offering your services as a freelancer. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and People Per Hour connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. As a freelancer, you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour, depending on your skills and experience. 6. Online selling. You can make money by selling items online. Platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay allow you to set up an online store and sell your items to customers. You can sell everything from handmade crafts to used goods or even digital products such as ebooks or courses. 7. Online trading. You can make money by trading stocks online. Platforms such as Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade allow you to buy and sell stocks online. You can make money by buying low and selling high, or even by holding stocks for long-term investment. However, trading stocks does come with certain risks, so it's important to do your research and understand the market before getting started. These are just a few examples of the many easy online jobs that you can do from home in 2023. Remember to do your research, be realistic about your skills and availability, and don't be afraid to start small and build your way up. With a little bit of effort and determination, you can find the perfect online job for you and start earning money from home. also worth noting that some of these jobs may require certain equipment, such as a reliable internet connection, a computer or laptop, and potentially a webcam and microphone. It's important to invest in these tools as they will help you perform your job more effectively and efficiently. Another important thing to keep in mind is to be organized and manage your time effectively. Set yourself a schedule, establish a work-life balance and stick to it. This will help you to stay focused and on track, and you'll be able to complete your tasks more efficiently. Lastly, make sure to market yourself and your skills effectively. Network and promote yourself on social media platforms like LinkedIn, create a portfolio showcasing your work, and reach out to potential clients or employers. In conclusion, there are plenty of easy online jobs that you can do from home in 2023. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig or a full-time job, there's something out there for everyone. Remember to do your research, be realistic about your skills and availability, and don't be afraid to start small and build your way up. With a little bit of effort and determination, you can find the perfect online job for you and start earning money from home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money from home. And as always, let us know in the comments which online job you're most interested in trying, and we will be happy to provide more information on it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.